Right also. This is called Aldar headquarters. Headquarters for the Aldar, who is the main developer in Abu Dhabi. This is in the world records. Guinness Book of World Records. When you get closer, you can say it's beautiful. You are getting more closer, then you can take the picture. You're right, that was all sea. They have reclaimed the sea actually. This is the office of Aldar, main headquarters of Aldar. He is the main developer. Oh! Shut the water. A little more further? Yes. Now.
Sampai lagi.
Huh? Wait. This is something different. It is unique, yeah? Now you can see. Take the picture now.
Take the picture now. Al-Raha Mall.
Al-Raha Mall. Al-Raha Beach Hotel.